and this part goes above this platelet. And we're going to see how we put the bobbin box on the hook, since a lot of people have trouble with this. First of all, we must separate this little nail that is the one that retains the coil case, so we pull it aside and we put the bobbin box this way. And this part goes over this platelet. Here I'm going to show you. The platelet has this little nail like this. And this part goes over the top. And it would go like this. First of all, let's put this part in the back, and then we put the part in from the front. That's when it was ready for us. And the little nail that is the one that retains the coil case, we bring it here. That it should only remain there imprisoning the coil box so that it does not move. We turn the hook, or the crab, and we see how the bobbin box, a lot of people by putting it wrong, then she automatically comes out the moment you step on the pedal. As long as you have the coil box retainer. Place the spool. And we're going to rehearse that anyway. By having the spool and wing the thread do not, it's going to come out of us. Here we see how we pull the thread and the bobbin box doesn't have to come out. We turn the crab. And it's still the same, we keep pulling the thread. This is how the machine works when the coil box is properly placed. That would be all, folks.